sultry sound of my voice. No peeking.
Mike.
And open them. Ta-da! What do you think?
What was wrong with your old car?
3 little words, Sully. 6-wheel drive. Come on, get in, get in, get in. It's adjustable. Will you cut it out? It's like we've released a panther. What? Oh! Don't just sit there. Push the button.
I'll get it. Whoa, sorry. Hello?
Push the button! Don't touch anything. I'll do it. Get out of the car, please.
Huh?
Get out!
Hey,
Get out of my
Mike.
car!
That's weird. The airbag didn't go off.
I miss my old car. You know, with the vroom vroom and the clang clang and the bang bang. Holy.
You, wanna walk?
Yes.